Practice wiring of hostel and residential building as per IE rules. Hello, this is Charumati. Today, let's learn wiring practice in hostels and residential buildings. Residential buildings and hostels are required to follow the IE protocol strictly to ensure proper safety and caution. We also note the rules to be followed, build a circuit and test the possibilities under the given layout.
Required tools: combination pliers 200 mm, 1 number. Screwdriver 200 mm with 4 mm blade, 1 number. Side cutting pliers 150 mm, 1 number. Electrician's knife 100 mm, 1 number. Bradawl 150 mm, 1 number. Ball peen hammer 250 gram, 1 number. Hacksaw with 24 teeth per inch blade. Firmer chisel 6 mm, 1 number. Flat rasp file 200 mm, 1 number. Neon tester 500 volt, 1 number. Electric drilling machine 6 mm capacity with 5 mm drill bit, 1 number. Here are some of the important points to keep in mind while applying the IE rules laid by the Government of India in 1956 to keep the occupants safe. Overhead line conductors have a material strength of not less than 350 kg. In case of low voltage, a conductor of not less than 150 kg may be used. Maximum stress, ground clearance and other clearances to be as per the standards laid down in the rules. Overhead lines shall not be erected in the vicinity of aerodromes until the aerodrome authorities have approved in writing the route of the proposed lines. Guarding and earthing as per the standards laid down in the rules. Safety and protective devices as specified in the rules. Ensure protection against lightning. The wiring has to be done by a licensed electrician with enough field experience for a reliable system. Earthing of neutral points. Where the voltage of an alternating current system exceeds 30 volts, the neutral or midpoint shall be earthed by connection to an earthing system in the manner prescribed in Rule 115, that is, method of earthing. Where earthing is necessary in a mine, it shall be carried out by connection to an earthing system at the surface of the mine, in a manner approved by the inspector. For any flat roof, open balcony, veranda roof, and lean-to roof, when the line passes above the building, a vertical clearance of 2.5 meters from the highest point, and when the line passes adjacent to the building, a horizontal clearance of 1.2 meters from the nearest point. Use high-quality wiring materials. Always use high-quality wiring materials, such as copper or aluminium wires, to ensure durability and safety. Choose the right wire size. The wire size should be chosen based on the current rating of the circuit. Using wires that are too small for the current can cause overheating and potentially start a fire. Proper installation. The wiring should be properly installed and secured to prevent it from getting damaged or frayed. This includes proper grounding, insulation, and proper use of conduit and trunking. Following these safety measures can help prevent electrical accidents and fires ensuring the safety of people and property. Let's start the experiment. Task 1. Draw the wiring diagram based on figures 1 and 2 and compare with the given wiring diagram. With your own layout, estimate the material required for wiring installation, referring to the layout as well as the wiring diagrams. Estimate the material required for wiring installation and mark layout on the institute for printed circuits. Prepare the PVC conduit frame as per the layout plan. Mark the saddle's position and fix them loosely as per the layout plan. Fix the conduit pipe on the IPC with the help of saddles. Insert the wire into the conduit pipe. Draw the cable as per the wiring. Fix the switches on the PVC switch boxes. Prepare the end termination of cables and connect the accessories as per the circuit. Test the circuit.
Recap: understanding layouts and creating one. Build a circuit and test the possibilities under the given layout. Thus, we have learned how to practice wiring of hostels and residential buildings as per IE rules. Hope you have a clear understanding on this. Do this exercise with the help of your instructor. Thank you.